Hey, no money to buy manicure head and you don't know how to go about it? What are you waiting for? I'm just a video away. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your homemade hand manicure head in your comfort zone without breaking the bank, okay? So if you're interested how to go about it from this to this, then this video is for you. Stay tuned and watch to the end. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, share and comment, okay? Let's hop into the video. First thing you should do is to make sure your head, that is your hair, is well leveled equally, so to avoid having one side up and one side down like upstairs. And I was like, before I loosed my hair, as you can see, my hair was already loosed. Before I loosed my hair and I was making it, I'll be sharing the short video with you guys. So after making the manicure head, I was like seeing extra head. My people used to call it okwishi, extra head at the back, because of the shuku that I was carrying on my head already. So, and beside, the hair is already old, so I have to remove the hair, remake another mannequin head. So I'll be showing the short clip on it soon. So guys, materials needed for this mannequin head making is rubber band. This rubber band is optional. Then we'll be needing scissors. Then the next one is your sellotape, the transparent one, but you can use any sellotape of your choice. Then our next material is a bottle, a standing bottle. You can use either of these two. I wanted to use the right one, but it's a spray bottle and there's something I want to put inside, so I decided to use the Ragolis bottle. And of course, a leather, also known as nylon. You can use any nylon of your choice, but I prefer you use this stronger one so that it will hold very well. And clothes, you can use soft cotton wools. You can use clothes, and if you want to use clothes, make sure that is the clothes you no longer use, that is the clothes that are no longer useful to you. And after flattening your hair, after making it equal size, that is bringing down your head like this, you have to put on the nylon on your head. After wearing the nylon on your head, then you have to mark out the eyeballs, just as you can see in this video, and the nose part where you can breathe through and see through. So you just have to use your finger to tip it out like this, and later use your scissors to cut it so that you'll be able to see what you're doing. So this is what it looks like after cutting it. After wearing it, you can also use your hand to adjust the eye area and the nose area if you're not comfortable with it, or you're not seeing through it properly. Then you can use your hand to adjust it, just like I did in this video. And this made me remember when I was growing up, my brother used to put a nylon on his head like this to cover his face and just to scare me at night. And guess what? I'll be so scared that I will scream my ass out. So this is where the rubber band comes in. If the leather is not enough for you to tie, then you can go ahead and use the rubber band. That's why I said the rubber band is optional. If your leather is not enough for you to tie, then you can use the rubber band to tie it. But if it's enough for you to tie, there's no need for the rubber band. Okay? So the main work is about to start. This is the process where you use the sellotape to start wrapping it around your head like so, just as I'm doing in this video. So you have to wrap it round so that everything will be equal and strong and stiff to each other. So at a point, I got to a point where my hand was not reaching the back, so I have to call my brother to come and help me do it. Okay, so enjoy this video. So we are done with that part. As you can see, I was dancing and everything was so funny to me because I looked like masquerade and I wanted to remove it, but the thing has already stiffed to my head, so I have to use scissors to cut through to enable me pull it off and move to the next level. So after taking it off, I'll be using sellotape to cover the other side to patch it up before adding the clothes inside. That was the mannequin head I was making earlier. I talked about earlier at the beginning of this video. As you can see, the mannequin head was having extra head, okwishi. We used to call it okwishi. So that was the reason why I decided to lose my hair and make another one. So right now I was adding the clothes inside, after which I will add the standing bottle. So before adding the standing bottle, make sure you fill it up with water, not too full but not too less, okay, so that the thing can hold and stand very well. So after placing the bottle very well, make sure you place it very well. Then I use the extra leather to tie it up and start using my sellotape to hold it together to avoid falling out or losing out. Okay, so this process will help hold the bottle and the mannequin head together, so it will serve as a stand for the mannequin head. Okay, and our mannequin head is ready for use. As you can see, isn't it beautiful? The eye area and the nose area is still showing for you to be able to indicate the front side and the back side. This is the most beautiful handmade mannequin head I've ever come across on the internet. You can argue that with your keyboard. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please do it to subscribe, follow, like, share and comment. Okay, see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.